Okay, hey guys, we're back in the house now. We just got some Wendy's. I ate all my fries in the car because we was hungry. So Joseph and Aiden eating their food right here with me at the table. And I decided to try their new spicy chicken maple bacon sandwich. I mean, I had it before. I'm not even sure if this is mine. So me and James. Yeah, this is mine. Boy.
You don't have them. You don't have them.
So, oh yeah, and I got a frosting on being fat.
For me? No.
Got a little frosting.
For you?
So, I just went down to my leasing offices. I had ordered some stuff from the Crown case from the Cyber Monday sale, and my package been delivered from Friday. Today's Wednesday actually. They're gonna tell me my package never came. I'm like, no, my package is there. I called the people, the UPS people, and they said the shit was delivered to the front desk. Like, these hoes be trying me. So anyway, I'm gonna sit here and eat and just talk to you guys. They just called my baby father. Was like, oh, we found the package. Yeah, you better have found that package. Well, he went down to go get it. I guess I'll open it on this video when you come back up with it. Man, this sandwich is banging. So, So, as you guys know, I had quit my last job. I was working at a hotel, working at the front desk. Excuse me, working at the front desk, and I quit that job because I was not getting treated. I wasn't getting treated fair or whatever. So I was like, you know what? I quit, and I started looking for another job. Found another job. I applied for Walgreens, got hired, and when I got hired, the manager, she asked me, like, you know, what hours can I work? Whatever the case may be. I told her I have 2 kids. I cannot work the morning shift. Like, I'm really oily right here. I told her I have 2 kids and I cannot work the morning shift. She was fine with it. She had no problem. Okay, boom. I get hired. She basically had me on the schedule all for the morning shift. I'm just like, I cannot work this shit. Like, I worked one morning shift, and I told her, like, I can't do it because James works the morning shift, and I need the afternoon shift. So, it's like when he's at work, I'm watching the kids, and when I'm at work, he's watching the kids. You get what I'm saying? So, it's like a rotating little thing. Like, we got a little system going on. So, I told her that I couldn't work it. She had me on the schedule for the next day for the morning shift. I did not come in for the morning shift. So instead of me coming in for the morning shift, I would come in for the evening shift for like 2 o'clock, 2:30, whatever the case may be. So she had no problem with it. She was fine. She never said anything to me about it. Everything was good. Boom. This week that just passed. Okay, so I told her, because she was like, you know, give me I'm gonna make the schedule around your schedule, basically. So if you need the evening shift, I'm gonna give you the evening shift. But what days can you work the morning shift? I told her I could work the morning shift on the days that James is off, and he's off on Tuesday and Thursdays. So those are the Tuesdays that I would be able to do the morning shift. So this past Tuesday, when I woke up on Tuesday, I had woke up late, but I was thinking that I had to work because I already told them prior that I can work the morning shift on Tuesdays and Thursdays. So I woke up late. Well, I'm thinking I'm waking up late for work. In all reality, I wasn't even on the schedule to work that day. So honestly, when I got hired, nobody told me how to call out or any of that stuff. So I just texted my manager like, listen, I woke up late. I'm about to, I'm just calling out. So then it's two managers. I don't want to say their name, but I have 2 managers. I texted the other manager and I told him like, listen, I'm running late for work. Like, I just want to call out. Like, how do I call out? He was like, Elaine, you're not even on the schedule to work today. I was like, what? Are you serious? I was like so surprised and shocked. And honestly, I feel like I'm so stressed out right now. So I think that with all this stress, I was just like on work mode. Like, oh my God, let me get up and get to work. Like, I thought I was late and I wasn't even on the schedule to work. So I never hit her back up. And then my other coworker hit me up like, oh, you might as well just come into work. I was texting everybody like, how do I call out? I'm late. Like, it's just, fuck it. I don't want to go to work today. So my coworker texts me and she's like, oh, you might as well just come into work today because it's already bad enough that you're late and then you're calling out and you just got hired. I'm just like, I didn't respond back, so I'm just like, bitch, I'm not even on the schedule to work today, so I don't give a fuck what you saying. Okay? So everything's good. The next day I go to work and I get there. Well, actually the next day they had me on the schedule for 9:30 to 3 o'clock. And I'm just like, I can't work the morning shift. I already told y'all this multiple times, but y'all continue to put me on the shift for the morning shift. All right, boom. So I didn't call her and tell her that I wasn't coming. I didn't call and tell her, like, listen, I'm not coming in for the morning shift. I'm just going to come in for the afternoon shift. Because honestly, I'm thinking, like, if I already explained to you multiple times on different occasions that I could not work this morning shift, you should already know that I'm going to just come in for the evening shift. So I come in for the evening shift. I'm doing my work or whatever the case may be. Then someone just told me to go check the schedule. I checked the schedule. The bitch took me off the schedule for 2 weeks. I'm just like, what the fuck is going on here? Like, nobody told me nothing. Nobody called my phone. Nobody didn't text me anything to that effect to let me know that I was off the schedule for 2 weeks. And I'm thinking, like, that's just so unprofessional. How you just going to take me off the schedule for 2 weeks and not tell me? Like, that don't make no sense. So I was pissed the fuck off. So I ended up calling and texting her. She wouldn't answer. A little respectful text message to both my managers. Like, listen, basically to sum the text messages up, I told both of them, like, listen, you know, very unprofessional. You took me off the schedule for 2 weeks. It's unrealistic. Like, the holidays is coming up. So that night, I was supposed to get off at 10 o'clock. I ended up closing the store with my other coworker, so I didn't get in the house until like 1 o'clock. So when I get in the house, the text message, she's still fucking texting me. Yesterday you called out, this, and that. I'm like, first off, how the fuck I'm calling out when I wasn't even on the schedule to begin with? Like, you make no sense. Like, seriously. So she talking all this shit, like, oh, you want to call corporate, it's 1-800 or Walgreens, all this fuck shit. So I text her back and told her, listen, you're still unprofessional, either way you put it. You still didn't tell me why you took me off the schedule for 2 weeks. I said, I don't even know if I'm still working here or if I'm fired. And I said, I will be going to corporate and I will be filing an EEOC against you guys because this is, like, unbelievable. Like, right now, I'm still pissed off about the situation. I'm going through so much right now personally, and it's just like, come on, you fucking with my money. I have kids, you know. Christmas is coming up, all this shit, and now I'm in the midst of moving back to New York. So it's just like so much shit is on my shoulders. It's like, it's crazy. And this bitch want to be playing with my money. So she's like, oh, you need to come into the store and have a conversation with me. This is, bitch, I'm not having a conversation with none of y'all hoes, okay? I quit, fuck y'all, and I'm still gonna, I went to corporate with the whole situation. I emailed corporate, I called corporate, made multiple complaints on her ass because she's very unprofessional. So, I'm just done with Walgreens. I'm just done. Alright, so, I'm done. I ain't going back to that shithole. And then, I've been working there for 2 weeks, and so much fucking drama. All everybody do is talk about each other. I don't got time for that, okay? I don't got time for that shit. And going through this right here, it made me realize, like, I cannot work no 9 to 5. I cannot be working for people because I'm ready to fuck somebody up. I can't do this shit. I can't be taking orders, people talking to me any type of way. And then when I get crazy on them, and these customers are hella rude. Oh, I'm about to tell y'all a story about a customer. Oh, Lord child. I'm working, because I do cashier, and I stock the floor too. So, one day I'm working, and I see my coworkers, like, the line is, like, long as fuck. So I'm like, let me just go help her. She didn't ask me for help. I'm like, let me just go help her. So, I open up the register, going to help her, whatever. Lady ringing this shit up, and she's like, oh, this is on sale. I heard her the first time, but I'm paying her no mind. I'm like, did you put your number in to get the Walgreens points and shit? She's like, yeah. So I'm still swiping this shit up, ringing this shit up. And then just before I'm like, is it going to be cash or card? And she was like, that's on sale. She was like, either you, she's pointing at me and my coworker. She's like, either you or her are going to go find out the price. I said, ma'am, I'm not going back to look at no price. My job is to work the cash register. So she's like, I told her I'm not going to go look for I told her I'm not going to go find the price out for her, basically. The bitch got an attitude. She was in her feelings, okay? Next thing you know, she's like, do you have a manager? I'm like, yeah. I'm about to call a manager. But then she was like, yeah, but you're smart little ass. Soon as she said that shit, I put the phone down and I walked away from the register. I swear to God, I walked away. It was a whole line. I walked away. I left that line and that bitch right there. Okay. So I go to the back just to continue what I was doing before I even was helping my coworker out with the line. So I left that bitch right there. She got the manager and all that. I told her, I'm not nobody's fucking child, period, okay? You're not going to be talking to me any type of way, okay? Because you're in your feelings because you was on a long-ass line, okay? That's not my job to go find out a price. If you feel like something is on sale, walk your ass back there and see what the fuck it is and come back to the front and show me, then I'll ring it up. You know, of course I need a job to get money and all this stuff. Like, in the meanwhile, like, I'm in the process of getting my shit together for my business, but at the same time, like, I can't put up with the foolery. So, I have to move back to New York, make it happen, and do what I gotta do. I'm so thankful for my family because my family is so supportive. Like, you know how you just got those family members that be like, oh, see, I told you so, this, and that. No. My family is so supportive and so understanding. It's crazy, and I just love them so much because they're always down for me. Period. Yeah. So, that's that. I was telling you guys about the package. It came. James went to go get it, so I'm about to open it on camera, right? I'm done sitting here before. I'm starting to open it, right? I'm like so impatient, so I'm about to fuck this box up. And my leasing office, they're trying to play me. Some of my other packages not here. Bitch, the package been delivered since Friday. One of y'all hoes think y'all slick. Probably put that shit to the side and thought I wouldn't come down for it. Why you fucking dumb? But I had ordered from the Crown case. Ooh. Yes, I hope my palette is intact. If I had ordered that mirror thing, it's like a ring. So they did a good job of packaging this up though. I had ordered that like little mirror that you put like on your hand or whatever, and it's so cute. So I really needed this shit. I really need this. Because what I'm look how cute. That's the case for it, and this is the mirror. I'm recording on my phone. This is so freaking cute. Let me open this bad boy. Oh my goodness. Yes. Thank you, Super. The host Crown Case team. Oh my God. Look how cute. Yes. Look how cute this is. Now I could be doing my makeup, getting cute or whatever, looking fashionable at the same time. I love this. Super cute. Super, super cute. So, this is what it looks like. I love that. And what I've been waiting for, I'm so happy. I've been wanting this. Ever since she hit me up, I was like, yes, my next check. The box, well, a box of crowns. The Crown Case eyeshadow palette. So let's open it. Let's see if my palette is in, well, packaged really nicely, so like, hopefully there's no damage. They probably was throwing this shit all around up in. Oh my God, it's intact. Look at all these beautiful shades. Oh my God, I'm gonna do a fucking look. Like, I'm definitely gonna do a look. Like, look at that blue. Oh my God. This case is to die for. I mean, this palette is to die for. Look at that pink. Look at that lime green. Oh my goodness. I can't believe it. This shit looks so darn good. Like, what? Oh my God. This is definitely, wow. Y'all know what look is going down, right? Ooh, purple. This is so cute. Let me see how it looks. Oh yeah, this is hella pigmented. What? Oh my goodness, it's going down. I feel like it's gonna look right now. Like what? I'm so happy that it came. I always wanted a nice yellow. Got a nice little yellow color. And it's hella pigmented. Like, yes, exactly what I need. Got my black, got my brown. Got some metallics. Okay, got my green. Like this. I've been waiting for this. Yes, and it got a big ass mirror too. Definitely will be getting into this right here though. Shout outs to the crown case. So that's what I got. Guess I'll do a look with the crown case tomorrow. Well, I'll probably do it tonight and post it tomorrow. So yeah. Thank you guys for watching. My kids are acting crazy, so I'm gonna go check on them. And I'll see you in tomorrow's video.